Alright, so we're at this new hot pot place. ShabRo in Palisades Park. ShabRo in Palisades Park. Hot pot. Alright, so we're gonna go try out this hot pot place. ShabRo. I'm just gonna take a picture. Okay, so those are the dinner and lunch choices. And those are the broth choices. Here at ShabRo. Great sauce bar. Okay, so here's the all you can eat. All you can eat. Now this here is the pork. That's the chicken. And looks like Jasco Super. So we've got all the meats, our seafoods, and our pot is cooking here at ShabRo Hot Pot.
Meat in mine?
Yeah.
To me, ShabRo, Mr. Hot Pot. Okay, so my assessment of ShabRo is that the meat quality is pretty good. The broth is good. The vegetable looks like Jasco Supermarket. Overall, and they have plenty of napkins. Note that they have plenty of napkins right around the rack here. Where most places give just one napkin. They got a whole shelf of them. So I'm going to give them 5 stars for the napkins.
What about Koba?
The vegetables are pretty good quality. They're tasty. It looks like Jasco Supermarket where you get them. The sauces is pretty good. Good choice. Broth, what I don't like is the Korean layout of the hot pot. It's staggered. It should be more like the Chinese style, straight, or like the Mongolian style.
Don't forget the call button.
And the call button, don't forget that.
That's for the nurse.
That's a Korean style too, the call button. So it's Mr. Barbecue Plus.
And they
Okay.
got shabu shabu there.
All right, watch. All right, so we're leaving the Top Hot place, and it's also Mr. Barbecue place. All right. All right. So where'd you park? So what'd you think of this place? So we thought the place was pretty good. The broth was good, and it was tasty, and the quality of the meat was excellent.